Next up, Collin. Collin, you're going to try two of these Supreme. We have 1, 4, and 9. We'll make 1, 2 equal top, 3, 4 equal middle, and 5, 6 will equal 9. Oh, that one fell down the groove hole. 1, 2, so the top one. Now, we'll just stay with 3, 4 equals middle, 5, 6 equals bottom. 3, 4, so top two. That leaves over box number 9. Yeah, I didn't do that for Angie. I was putting it all in the standard send box. Like I say, I only did it once or twice, and I realized after someone replied, I saw like 1,000 emails. I'm like, what'd I do that for? Then I went to Constant Contact. All right, number 12 of 50, Chris Johnson. And Koji Uehara, 43 of 50. I forgot to check. I hope you did order baseball. 2014 Supreme Baseball. Yep, okay, same page. And box number 1. Flip and turn. We have George Springer, number 245. Die cut. And Oscar Taveras, rest in peace, 24 of 35. Oscar Taveras. Alrighty. Thanks, Collin. I'll get that out tonight, man.